Hello, this is Dal Notch, and I'll be going over my Enhancement 8 assignment. So we'll start by showing you the various lists for all my products. Just go through these, and you can see they all maintain the same look and feel. Has them all just in a row here. Then I'll show you the detailed view. Here's the detailed view of a mortar. Go to explosives, TNT, same thing. Miscellaneous, do this one. Go to rockets, traps. They all maintain the same look and feel. Then we can go to mobile emulator. You can see it goes to a single column layout. This is an iPad, but here's a phone. Shrinks the image, puts it a single column layout. See that? And it all fits on there without having to do any side scrolling. This works for all of them, so let's just go back to Canon, mortar. Same thing. And then we'll do one more. Just go to TNT, I guess. Hit that, TNT. Then you can see it's all the same. One thing I try to do to make it seem a bit more professional was try to add the green like Amazon has for whatever's left in stock. Added an underline to the product name. Then I added some bullet points next to like the side info, kind of like material, size, weight. Just the kind of information that's not really, main. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that this is valid HTML CSS. So we'll do the list page. It's HTML, no errors. CSS, no errors as well. We can click on a product here. HTML, no errors, and CSS has no errors as well. So that about sums up the video. I appreciate you watching, and have a good rest of your day.